That is not you. Coming true. Coming true. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be using a new product I just got. I'm going to be testing it out on a wash and go to see if I like it and if you guys should buy it. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just saturating my hair with some water. If it will come out. Right. I'm going to spray my hair with some water. So the product that I'm going to be using today is from Creme of Nature. It's their hair milk. It says it's a lightweight cream for defined and elongated curls, and it has in coconut milk. So this is a product I'm going to be using today. I already sprayed some in here. I'm going to take some in my hand, and this is it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Smells really good. So the first set, I'm just going to put it all over my hair, and then we're going to section off. So I'm going to section off my hair into probably 4 sections. Yeah, I think I'm going to do 4. So the first one, so for my first subsection, I'm going to spritz my hair once again because it works better on wet hair. Then I'm going to take more of the hair milk. I'm going to take this much for now, and I'm going to break it through the whole section of my hair. So like it says, it's not a heavy cream. It feels more lightweight on my hair. I like that because I don't want my hair to feel like it's weighed down by the product. I just want just enough so I can form some curls and keep it throughout the whole day, moisturize, and yeah. Take it some more. I'm going to braid that through the whole section, and then I'm going to start detangling with my white teeth comb. So I'm going to be doing this stuff without gel to see if this product really works, and this is the first section. I don't know if you can see any curls, but this is what we are working with. I'm going to put up this section, and I'm going to go on to the next section. I'm doing the same that I did to the last section, spritzing my hair. And then I'm going to go in again with the milk, hair milk. Taking about this much and breaking it through. So this is it with the hair. I haven't detangled as yet, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks first, and then I am going to go on into detangling. So that's how it looks, and now I'm going to detangle with my big brush, big comb. Spritz some in here one more time because it's starting to feel like it's drain back out. So I'm going to take more of the product. I forgot to say this. It also says that it has no sulfates, no mineral oils or petroleum. Breaking it through my hair once again, making sure you get every strand. Make sure you get the ends too, because you don't want your hair to be moisturized here and no hair looking crusty. So make sure you get every section over here. To me, it looks like it's curling up. I don't know if it's gonna hold. It feels very moisturizing. I like it so far. It smells great. So yeah, I'm going to do the last section now, and then I'm going to move on to the next section. Again, taking this much, and I am going to start off with that. Sorry if you can see me looking over this way, because it's just because I have my mirror over this side, so you can see how it goes. Now that I am finished with this section, I'm going to let out all of the bantu knots that I just did to see how the product is working. I think I want a little part. Yeah, over the side. I'm going to add more of the product up in this section. So far my hair is feeling very moisturized. I like it. So that is not you. Coming true. Coming true. What were you saying? About who? Cream? Milk? Cream of nature? No, sis. Ooh, curls, curls. Listen. So, that's not me. That is not me. That's not me here. You cannot. Stop playing me. Stop. So this is it, guys. The hair actually came out really nice. I love it. The creaminess of the hair milk is out of this world. I love it. My hair smells great. I can see the curls. My hair feels moisturized. I love this product, guys. You guys need this. This is the Creme of Nature hair milk. Go out and get you guys some of this. This product is really nice. So far, this is how my hair is. I don't know if it's gonna hold up, but it looks promising. So if you guys are interested in this, I'm also going to leave it down in the description box below. I'm going to leave a link. So this is the hair. I love it. Go and get you some of this. So this is the final result of the product that I just used from Creme of Nature. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you guys won't miss any time that I upload, and I'll see you guys in my next one.